In this video, we will learn all about the fault.
P0420.
What does it mean? Symptoms, causes, and how to solve it. We also respond frequent questions related to this error.
First, what does the error code P0420 mean? The P0420 code is an indicator that the catalyst system in your vehicle is performing below expectations. This system is responsible for reducing toxic emissions from the car in order to minimize its environmental impact. The catalytic converter has both front and rear oxygen sensors, and the relationship between the heated oxygen sensors is monitored by the Engine Control Module (ECM). If this ratio approaches the set limit, a catalyst failure diagnostic is generated. 9 symptoms of fault P0420. Check engine light on. Decrease in vehicle performance. Increase in fuel consumption. Failure in the catalyst system. Emissions system failure. Engine control system failure. Fault in the fuel injection system. Ignition problems. It is important to mention that not all vehicles will show these symptoms, but if the check engine light comes on, it is important to check it and determine the cause to avoid further damage to the vehicle.
Wait. Important. If this information is useful to you, please subscribe. That way you motivate us to continue uploading more videos.
10 causes of code P0420. Using leaded fuel in a vehicle that requires unleaded fuel. Oxygen sensor failures. Faulty connections in the sensors. Problems with the engine temperature sensor. Break or leak in the exhaust manifold. Damaged fuel injectors. Dirty air filter. Ignition timing problems. Similar readings on the oxygen sensors before and after the catalyst. Fuel contamination. Now let's see a list of 10 possible solutions for the OBD2 code P0420. Replace or repair the catalytic converter. Replace or repair the oxygen sensor. Check and clean the sensor connections. Replace engine temperature sensor. Repair or replace the exhaust manifold. Replace or repair fuel injectors. Replace air filter. Check and adjust ignition timing. Check and clean the fuel system. Perform a full system diagnostic to determine the exact cause of the problem.
How do you know if the catalyst is no longer useful? There are some signs that may indicate that the catalyst is no longer useful. The check engine light comes on. The vehicle has performance problems. The vehicle has emissions problems. The vehicle emits odorous exhaust gases. The vehicle emits black exhaust gases. Increased fuel consumption. Power reduction. Abnormal vibrations and increased exhaust emissions. What happens when the catalyst starts to fail? When a catalyst begins to fail, its ability to convert harmful gases into less harmful emissions is compromised. This can result in increased exhaust emissions, lower engine efficiency, and possibly activating the check engine light. How do you know if the catalyst is blocked? A blocked catalyst can cause a significant loss of engine power and performance, and possibly cause the vehicle to not run properly. It can also lead to an increase in exhaust temperature. A back pressure test on the exhaust system can help identify a blockage in the catalyst. What is the useful life of a catalyst? The life of a catalyst can vary widely depending on factors such as driving style, fuel quality, and vehicle maintenance. In general, modern catalysts usually last between 80,000 and 150,000 kilometers, but this can be shorter if driven in adverse conditions. What happens if the catalyst is removed from a car? Removing a vehicle's catalyst is illegal in many places. Without further ado, I hope this video has been useful to you and you can solve your problem. See you in a next video. Bye-bye.